Hello everybody, I am Donna Miller with Miller Crafts. Thank you so much for joining me today. We have a wonderful Christmas card that we are going to put together. So if you are new to the channel and you like this video, I hope that you click and subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of future videos coming up. So for this brick, I used a stencil. And with this stencil, I used Ranger Fire Brick Red and the Hickory Smoke. And I used this tool from Tim Holtz, and I just pounced down on the stencil. And I used the red, and then I went back in with the gray. And that created two-tone layers of color, which I'm pointing right there. You can see that one's darker than the other one. And I just really like the realisticness that you get from this background, especially when you pounce down with the tool instead of just using the felt pads. So for our image, I created this on Inkscape. And if you check out the blog, I have a link to the image. And then also on my videos, you can look, and I have a tutorial on how to create your own. So if you look on here, I made icicles. And with the icicles, I just use Glossy Accents glue. And the window is just Cricut acetate that I put down. And I just wanted to give it a more realistic, like a glass feeling, that someone was actually outside looking on the inside of here. So we are going to put that down on the card. I have that on foam tape. So we'll just take off the foam tape and press that down on the card there. So I feel like every window needs to have a garnish underneath. So we are going to use this Lawn Fawn die cut set. This is Spring Sprig. And even though this was created for spring, we're going to make this work for Christmas. So we're going to go ahead and glue down these pieces. I'm using Art Glitter Glue, and I got this quilling bottle from Hobby Lobby, and I just love this bottle because it doesn't clog on me like the ones with the needle clogs on me. So if you're looking for a bottle, get that one. So for the little red pieces, we're going to use this Pick Me Up stick. I also bought this from Hobby Lobby, and it just has this tacky Play-Doh on the bottom that just makes your pieces stick. And the bottom part comes out, and that just really helps and aid in putting down your pieces. And it took me about a year to figure out that the bottom part comes apart. So let me know in the comments below if you've used this tool before and how long it took you to figure out that the bottom part comes apart. So we are going to look at our sentiment now, and I used the Fire Brick Red on this. This says Season's Greetings, and I got this from Cards TV. This is Merry Christmas Inside and Out, and I love this stamp set because it does the outside sentiment of your cards, and it also does the inside sentiments of your cards. So it's just perfect to use over and over for your Christmas cards. So we'll take a final look at this card now. I just love the shine on the window. It really makes me feel like I'm outside looking on the inside. And I just love the way that this makes me feel like at home. So I love the way that Season's Greeting sentiment looks on there. And the inside says, from our house to yours. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you liked this video. And please click and subscribe to get notified of future videos coming soon. And thank you so much for joining me today.